Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to make a playlist private on Soundcloud. Now there are simple steps you need to take. Step 1. Go to your playlist. You need to find the playlist you want to make private. Step 2. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner, or it can be found below the playlist title or cover image. Next, click on Edit from the drop down menu and then navigate to the basic info tab within the edit page. Change your privacy settings or options to public or private. You see an option that says private or public. If your playlist is in public, to be written public, simply change it to private. Click on the bubble next to the private to select it. Now click on save button to apply the changes and make your playlist private. Once you've made your playlist private, it will no longer be visible to the public, including your followers. Only you will be able to access and listen to it. Please note that making a playlist private does not change the privacy settings of the individual tracks within it. If a track is already public, it will still be accessible to others even if the playlist is private. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.